Hello, hello, hello. This is Allison Price of TNQ's Life here with another DIY for you. But it's not Wednesday if you're watching live. We've had a little bit of busyness and chaoticness with just rearranging schedules right now. So a lot of parents probably can attest to that. So anyways, thank you for bearing with me. Sorry I'm not here on Wednesday, it's Thursday instead. But without further ado, you are in the right place if you are looking for ways to simplify your life with simple, easy, non-toxic recipes so that you can cut the chemicals out of your lifestyle. And I'm here to teach you how to protect the place and the people that matter most in your life. So let's detox the stuff that you have in your home. Today I am showing you, following along with our gift giving theme this month, DIY gifts, I'm showing you a super simple candy cane sugar scrub. It's a super fun gift to give. You can decorate your jars all different kinds of ways. If you are on my email list, I will be sending you labels that you can print and stick to your jars that are really cute. And I also have the pillow sprays coming. Bear with me because I'm not super tech savvy on how to make those files showable for you guys, but I think I've got it. So anyways, without further ado, for your candy cane sugar scrub, you are going to need granulated white sugar, which is in here, and then you're also going to need an organic skin-safe food dye, and I've linked up for you the one that I like to use, because then you want to dye some of it red, since it's candy cane, but you want it to be the skin-safe organic food dye, not all of that nasty red dye 40. You could be super ambitious and make it yourself by making your own red dye out of something like beets, but who's got time for that, right? So then you want peppermint essential oil, because you want to be able to have it smell like a candy cane. And a fun tip that I like to share is that it doesn't always have to be peppermint, but you can also incorporate ylang-ylang oil. So when you add ylang-ylang oil to peppermint, it creates a really nice, a little bit more mellow, winter wonderland-ish kind of aroma. So that's a really fun one to add into this as well. And then you're going to need your carrier oil. I like to use fractionated coconut oil because it's just so versatile. It's very nourishing to the skin. And 9 times out of 10, skin does not have a reaction to it. You could also use something like almond oil, grapeseed oil. You can even use olive oil. Olive oil is going to leave the skin more greasy, just as a side note with that. So it wouldn't be something that you want to do in the daytime if you're using it. We found in our home that a couple of us, our skin has reactions to grapeseed, so we just stick with fractionated coconut oil. So the full recipe with all of the measurements is in the caption for you, but all you do once you've created red sugar, and then you have your white sugar, you're just going to pour it into your jar in layers so that it has its candy cane looking effect. And I've also linked up for you the jars that I like to use. They're super fun. Canning jars are so versatile. I use them for literally everything. And then I kind of give it a tap. I kind of give it a tap so that it evens itself out. And of course, when I'm live, it doesn't do it as good as it does when I'm not. But then you can see there you have the candy cane layers. And you just put the lid on. I've got cute little stickers for you if you're on my email list. And then you can add a tag letting people know what they can do with it. So a sugar scrub is basically just meant to be a nice, self-pampering, exfoliating kind of product for people to use. So especially in the summertime, I like to use it anywhere where I've received too much sun on my skin and I mean that my skin's starting to peel. But in the wintertime, just in general, doing an overall scrub on your body is a great way to pamper yourself, to get the benefit of the essential oils that you've added in. And it's something really easy to make. The coconut oil is very nourishing to your skin. It's super easy to make, and you don't need all of the toxins and the junk that they put in these products when you buy them at the stores. Fragrance alone, synthetic fragrance, is a huge problem with the toxins that present itself when we use it. So, super simple. Candy cane sugar scrub. If you're not a fan of using sugar, you can certainly use sea salt instead. That's another option for you as well. But that is our DIY for you this week and our gift giving guide. Make sure you're on my email list. You can get yourself on it by subscribing to my top 5 DIY recipes, which is at bit.ly/top, the number 5, and then capital I, capital D, capital I, capital Y. You will get my 5 top DIY recipes emailed to you. Then you'll also be on my email list, and then you'll be sure to also receive the stickers that I'm sending out that you can add to this. And if you don't receive it, let me know, because I will be sending it out shortly. So if you're catching this at a later date, just shoot me an email and let me know. But there you have it. I can't wait to see you guys again next week. I have 2 fun recipes that we are going to be doing to add along to our gift giving guide. And you know what? If you're not going to be seeing family in person this year for the holidays, these are fun, easy things that you can ship as well. Or you can make great little baskets with all different kinds of things that you've made and present the basket as a gift. So lots of ways to get creative with this, and you can do it in a manner that saves you money and in a way that also cuts out the chemicals. So without further ado, enjoy your evening, folks, and I will see you again here next week. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. We'll see you next week.